wonder, under the ground, what holds the biggest of oak trees we see all around. It gives a cozy home to the moles, the spiders, the mice, and the worm, and many more creatures which like to squirm, growing the food we eat and supporting billions of feet. The soil is more precious than a diamond, and it's the reason for our existence. So please don't treat it as dirt. On 5th of December is World Soil Day, where you get your hands mucky and celebrate soil. So what are you waiting for? Let's get mucky!